Thank you for joining. Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presents how to utilize the follow-up feature. Today, we will be reviewing how to enter a follow-up request for a patient to improve your workflow. From the summary page of the patient's chart, click the follow-up option shown here. This feature will be accessible at all times no matter where you are in the patient's chart. From the follow-up request window, access the drop-down menu to select when you would like the patient's follow-up appointment to be scheduled. If your practice has more than one office location, select the desired location from the office drop-down menu. Select the appropriate follow-up appointment type from the drop-down menu. Let's go ahead and select a 4-week 30-minute follow-up appointment for this example. Then click on Save. The follow-up request will populate below the contact info to show that this follow-up request was successfully saved and is ready to be scheduled. Click on the X icon in the upper right corner to close this window. Upon checkout, the front desk will be prompted to schedule the saved follow-up request. All follow-up appointment requests will be reflected in the follow-up appointment request report. To access this report, navigate to the home icon positioned here. Hover down to Admin, then click on Reports. From the Reports page, select the Follow-up Appointments Request Report. If your practice has more than one office location, select the desired location from the Office drop-down menu. Select the start date or end date you wish to run the report from. Let's go ahead and select January 27, 2025 for the example, then click on Generate Report. The report provides the patient's name, requested follow-up date, last scheduled appointment and next scheduled appointment. This report can be used to schedule pending follow-ups, reschedule a requested follow-up in the event of a cancellation, and determine if a patient's next scheduled appointment fulfills the follow-up appointment request. To filter any of the sections on the report, simply click on any of the headers. To filter the column, click here. To hide a column on the report, click on this icon. You can sort the column in ascending or descending order. Additionally, if you wish to do more with the report, or to save the report for editing, hover over to the export icon in the upper left-hand corner to export the report to an Excel sheet. Thank you for joining the Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presentation on how to utilize the follow-up feature. Look out for more 2-Minute Tuesdays coming your way.